Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use side button in your Samsung Galaxy Android F70e 5G. Samsung offers a lot of new features and side button is one of them. You can decide what it does when it is long pressed and double pressed of your side button. Go to settings of your Samsung Galaxy Android, and here you will find advanced features. Tap on it. Here you will find side button. Tap on it, and here you will find long press or double tap. So choose double tap, and here a lot of apps available here. Choose as per your choice. If you want to choose camera, torch, video recording, some other features also available here. If you want to change open apps using side button, then here are the option. Simply select it and choose your side button, and you can see torch is now open using side button. Now we will see how to use side button to open app. Click on app, tap on settings, and you will see a lot of apps available here. Choose any one which you want to open through side button. So you can easily open any app through your Samsung Galaxy side button. You can also change apps. Choose a lot of apps available here. Choose any one of them. For example, we will choose YouTube, and you can see long press your side button and YouTube will play.